Hi Neville Knights, Mr. Askelson. It is Tuesday, April 14th, 2020. It doesn't look like spring out here. In fact, it looks like we're in the heart of winter. It's pretty chilly out, so it's a good day to go inside and do some work on your matrix. Let's see what we're doing in math today. Hi, fourth graders. Let's take a look at our matrix and see what we're working on in math for Tuesday. It says find the factor pairs of each number. And we've worked with factor pairs before, but today we've got some larger numbers to work through. It's 66, 54, 59, 93, 60, and 37. Then do the finding factors activity on Seesaw and go on to Redbird or Freckle when finished. Factor pairs we've kind of defined in a couple different ways. We can say all numbers have factor pairs that multiply to make that number, or a factor is a whole number that divides equally into a given number. So in both cases, we're going to use 30 as our kind of target number, and we're going to find the factor pairs for that. And you can see we've done it before. We put factor pairs into parentheses, and I can go through and say 1 and 30. I know that 1 times 30 equals 30, then 2 times 15, 3 times 10, 5 times 6. Or we can kind of just display those factor pairs by putting and in between it, and then read it kind of almost like a sentence. So I just put the 1 and the 30, 2 and 15, 3 and 10, and 5 and 6. So they're the same factor pairs, they're just displayed in a slightly different way. Now when working with these larger numbers, it can be kind of difficult to come up with some of those factor pairs, but you are given kind of a clue in here. When you look at each number, you can see that there are 4 factor pairs for 66 and 54. There's 2 for 93 and 1 for 59. And remember, when a number that only has 2 factors, 1 and itself, we say that that number is a prime number. Then we can list out 60 and 37 using parentheses, and then go on to Seesaw, do the finding factors activity, and on to Redbird or Freckle when you're finished. So, finding factor pairs for today. I hope that helps. Have a great day.